In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to recover Mobile Legends account. To begin, open your web browser and enter the URL Mobile Legends contact. Next, click on the appropriate link. Please be patient as it may take some time to load. Once the page is loaded, scroll down to locate their email address for support. So what we need to do is copy the support email and proceed to your email account. Tap on Compose and paste the support email into the recipient field. In the subject line, enter account recovery. In the email description, provide the specific details of your concern, including your username, account email, and phone number. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.